silence of the night I search my soul, facing the pieces of a heart no longer whole. I chased the shadows, I wandered far and wide, lost in a world where I had nowhere to hide. Now I'm trembling, I'm broken, I'm small, realizing without you I have nothing at all. The breath you gave, I used to turn away. The mercy you sent, I ignored day by day. But now my heart is heavy, burdened by the past, seeking a sanctuary, a love that's meant to last. Astaghfirullah, Rabbi, min kulli Zambin wa atubu ilay. Forgive me, my Lord, for every scar and every lie. Wash away the stains with the rain of your grace. Don't let me drown, let me find my place. Astaghfirullah, I'm coming home to you. I spoke the words that cut like a knife. I walked in darkness, forgetting the light of life, building my sins like walls up to the sky. Forgive the arrogance, the me and the I. But your door is open, your mercy is deep, a promise of peace that I long to keep. Starting today, I'll walk a different line, with a humble heart and your light as my sign. Let patience and gratitude be the clothes I wear, turning every trial into a silent prayer. Hold my hand, Lord, don't let me go. Astaghfirullah, Rabbi, min kulli Zambin wa atubu ilay. Forgive me, my Lord, for every scar and every lie. Wash away the stains with the rain of your grace. Don't let me drown, let me find my place. Astaghfirullah, I'm coming home to you. There is no God but thee, most forgiving, most merciful to me. Let me find my peace when my journey is through. وَأَتُوبُ إِلَيْهِ وَأَتُوبُ إِلَيْهِ